Hey guys, what's going on? It's T-Carp. Alright, well, this is going to be the first day of squirrel season that I've been out. It is today is what, the August the 31st, so it's not even into September. Right now it's about 70 degrees. It's a little later in the day. It's about 9:30 in the morning. Had to drop the kids off at school. Anyway, let's look at the gun we'll be using. We talked about, I put a Twitter poll, or I didn't put up a Twitter poll, but I put up a YouTube poll, and I asked you guys what gun you all wanted me to use, and you guys said the Henry 22, which we're going to be using that. So my thing is, it is I don't know if you can see this or not, but it is super thick. So you guys are really testing me, and we'll see if we come away with anything. It's going to be hot. So we're going to kind of play around there. Oh man, already hearing a few things. You never know. Love the woods. You always, as I'm talking over here. So, and I'm being super loud too. But gonna get my Henry 22. We're gonna go off. We'll see if we get anything. Stay with me. Trying to go in and just sit down. I've already saw one, but couldn't get a shot on it before it got out of range where I could see it. I mean, that's what we're looking at is really, really thick stuff. So I'm gonna get in there. I'm gonna get off this trail, get in there, and sit down. Is gonna be my strategy today. We'll see if it works. All right, here's where we're at. The goal is to just sit back and relax a little bit and see if we can see anything moving. We're at 10 o'clock, so at 10:15 we'll move up across that hill and then we'll try again. Alright, what I might do instead of going over this hill is go down here to my deer hunting spot. And I'll be honest with you, I've shot 2 or 3 squirrels down there. So I'm gonna go down there and just kind of see what's going on with it. One of the biggest questions I have for those who hunt with a 22 in the early season when the leaves are still on the trees, how do you see and get a headshot on a squirrel? I mean, seriously. Like, if you're in this thick stuff, come on now. Like, I have seen 2 squirrels that I could have taken with a shotgun, but I'm waiting to get a clear shot with a 22 and they ran off. So for all those that say, oh, 22s is the best way, guys, I'm still liking my 12 gauge. But again, I did come out here later on in the day. I mean, just no way to get a, not really a great position for it. All right, so let me show you this. So, she's definitely boiling now. So that's good. So I'm just gonna sit here and let that boil.
Fish jumping.
No. Hey, sweet pea. Hey,
Yeah.
Hey.
Shelly,
It's okay.
he's awful friendly.
I
He'll
love
get
it.
in your face and stuff.
All right, guys. Well, what kind of sucked is didn't get anything, but got out there, got to make some tea, pretty good. Actually ran into a dog that was kind of nice, and there's plenty of people on the trail, so you'll stick with me through the adventure. I did see, however, like there was a person sunbathing, because I'm on the lake and boat pulls up. I'm, trying to get my tea and everything, and they commenced to sunbathing and just taking off everything. And I'm like, well, by God, I hope they don't know I'm here. So if you were doing that on the lake, you got seen, you might
well, it is what it is. This is T-Carp signing out. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share.